Good morning, brothers and sisters, boys and girls. It is 9:30 a.m. Central Standard Time on December 11th, 2021. Please hit like, share, and subscribe, and ring that bell for notification updates. This is an actual update for things that are going on. I'm still trying to work on that new application. There's quite a bit of tools and stuff that you gotta get familiar with before I feel comfortable doing a presentation, so it might still take me a couple days. But this is actually just to let you guys know that this is a 7-day outlook, okay? And this is where we were. Just on the 5th, we were up here in M class, okay? But now this is always important to look at, but what's really important to look at is the baseline. You can see our baseline from our solar activity and our flares. We're up here in the B's. Okay, we were here in the B, and there was actually at one point we were living in the C's, which was pretty scary. And so, as you notice, we kind of had a declination, and we just kind of came down here. We've been in rest mode. You know, the sun's been kind of taking a break. Those sunspots went around to the backside, and we've actually had a nice little cool down period. But now we're actually, if you notice, we're starting to come back up. We're getting up into the mid A's, and we're going to be up in the high A's, and the next thing you know, we'll be right up into the B's, and we're going to start seeing more of these. We actually got a couple sunspots that are coming around the limb. Let's go take a look at those. And here we are over at Solar Dynamic Observatory, and of course we can see one of our little friends traversing the surface of the sun. But the spots that we're talking about are right over here. You can see this bugger's getting pretty active. It's spitting and sputtering. So this will be an active region coming around. This one's not really named, but it doesn't have a whole lot of friends to play with. But you can see how bright it is coming around here. This is coming around at us, and of course we know what happened when this was going around to leave us. So yeah, we'll keep an eye on that. And of course, as we come over here to the green, oh, here, let me come down. Come on now. There we go, which is 94 angstroms of light. Sorry about that. We see we got another friend here traversing the surface. But right over here, you can watch this here. You can actually see its activity here. Let me move the cursor for you. See how it's doing all that little snap, crackle, popping? Oh yeah, that's gonna be a fun one when it comes around at us. Oh, there went one. There's actually, uh-oh, Bohr cube. They don't want you to see something, folks. Well, I highly suggest everybody come on over here to SDO. Hit pause and come find it and see what's going on here. See what they're doing. Are you guys seeing all my little friends over here that are kind of flying by? They're everywhere. And actually, oh, looky here. Watch right up in here, folks. It looks like we might actually have a little bit of activity coming off there. See the swirling? Ooh, let's go check out our filaments. Just as I suspected. See this ribbon right here? Oh yeah, keep an eye on that ribbon. Now you're going to see a lot of popping and going over here, but you'll actually see this ribbon let go of it. I don't think this one does. This one actually holds on from what I'm seeing. But, oh, I gotta make sure I tap on it. There we go. We'll go nice and slow a little bit. Now watch. Oh, you see it? See it going? Kind of spinning off? Yeah, so we did have a little filament release coming at us. It's not a major one though, folks. It's just a little bugger. But that's alright. I mean, it's not going to kill us. It ain't going to hurt us by any means. But then, also look over here on this left side. You'll see coming around the bend. That's coming at us. Coming around the bend. Yeah. We're gonna get X-rayed again. Yeah. Yeah, we're about that bugger's coming around. We had a couple of them from the last time they went around the limb. They're gonna be coming right back around at us. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Almost looks like a volcano, doesn't it? Pretty cool. Almost like he's giving the middle finger right there, doesn't it? Like here, F you. That's rude. And we are at space weather seeds. I want everybody to take a look at something really quick. See my little buddy right here, right? I'm just kind of zoom in for you. Yeah, nice little buddy. Little kind of spaceship there. Guess what? He's right here too. This one they actually didn't blur out so much. Kind of hard to see him, but he is there. See him? Just like that. Nice little triangle pyramid type thing. Looks like there's something going on underneath him though. But you usually don't see this. It's actually kind of unique. It's not defined enough where I'm like super satisfied with it. But this is kind of nice to see. You got a little guy right here. Got another little guy right here. So it's kind of nice to see that, even though I wasn't really looking for that. But there it is. But here's where I'm actually wanting to look. See right here? We got some more inbound coming. See that? We got it right here too. Let's go previous. We got another one right here and right here. See them? Now there is something that they do that, and I can't understand this. They actually, look at this. You see that? Notice the difference from there to there. They put a big gray blot right here and a big gray blot right here. Big gray bar blotting something out. Now I'm trying to figure out what they're going on about, and I can't see it. But there's something going on, and they don't want us to see it. It's quite interesting, folks. So yeah, take a look at this. Hit pause, zoom in if you can, or whatever, or come here to see it yourself and take a look at that and tell me what you think. And they've got it down here. They've got it for quite a while, for like 3 frames, and yet I see nothing there for them to. Well, actually, right here, this guy looks like another one that's actually going towards the sun. Goes there, yep, and then he's there, and then there. So that one, we actually caught that one moving. That was pretty cool. We got to see a decent one there. Yeah. Uh-oh. Someone's coming out of the sun. But let's go ahead and head out. There's really nothing much else going on. I mean, just you might see a craft or two, spacecraft here or there, but nothing out of the normal for this channel for those of my normal followers. But there is a few things that I did want to take a peek at. That's right over here on spaceweather.com. Today is the 11th, and we've got one here. Woo! This half the distance between us and the moon. We've got one running at 20.1 kilometers per second, and it is 7 meters large. That's about 21 feet around. Could most likely break up in the atmosphere, but either way, that's pretty close. And then the next one that I would be like, oh my goodness, would be this one here. And that one's again today, 13.5. That's 7, about the same. So that's pretty close. Anything that's around 1, even 1.5 is enough to, oof, kind of make you go, uh-oh, start paying attention to them. Those that are double the lunar distance, not so likely we're going to have any issues with those. But you also got to make sure you're looking over here at the size of them. Woo, 38 meters. Ouch, that would hurt for sure. I actually want to take some notice. I want to take some notice and ask for a moment of prayer for the people that were affected here in the United States by some devastating tornadoes. Now, before I hit play on this, I want everybody to pay attention to a few things. One of those things being the name of this system that caused all of these tornadoes. And we're going to get to that.
Dozens of people are dead as tornadoes and storms carved a horrific path of destruction through several states overnight. An Amazon facility was ripped apart in Edwardsville, Illinois. A candle factory was destroyed in Mayfield, Kentucky. And a nursing home was heavily damaged near Jonesboro, Arkansas. Officials say people died at all of these locations, with between 50 to 100 feared dead at the candle factory. Damage was also reported in several other locations, including parts of Tennessee and Missouri. More than 100...
Everybody seeing that? Atticus tornado outbreak. Let's give a little word of prayer for these people after we get done here, because it's actually quite important. And yeah, I'd like to show you what I'm talking about. Atticus, Wikipedia. Atticus, an adjective Latin name meaning Athenian or of Attica. Titus Pomponius Atticus, was a Roman editor, banker, and patron of letters, best known for his correspondence and close friendship with the prominent Roman statesman Marcus Tullius Cicero. These names are really kind of running all together, aren't they? Atticus was from a wealthy Roman family with a equestrian class and from the Pomponia gens. Isn't that interesting? Titus Flavian, Titus Pomponius. Oh, these are interesting. These are very interesting names. Constantinople. What? What is this? Look at all these people. So come through here and start taking a look at this for yourself. Here's another thing that they kind of put in our faces right here. Let me show you this. Fictitious names, yeah. Let's just go here for a second. Let's just kind of, oh, wait a minute. 39 clues. Might be something to that. Downtown Abbey. Oh my goodness. Californication. To Kill a Mockingbird. Interesting. Big Time Movie? Book of Pure Evil. Iron Druid Chronicles. Yu-Gi-Oh? Interesting. Grey's Anatomy, as in like aliens, the gray aliens, their anatomy. Lovecraft. What? Lovecraft. Little Lunch. These things are pretty alarming. Folks, they're putting it in our face. How many people are going to be able to put all that together? Not many. Only those of us that are awake and looking. But this is what's really going on here. They are putting it in your face. See here? Ha ha. And where is it going? Where does it lead us to? So far, the farthest back, it takes it back to 35 BC. To a Roman literature. Roman Empire. The Romans. Yeah, buddy. Here we are, back over at the Weather Channel. Next video down about the Arkansas tornado damage. Look at this. What does that make? What does that make? What shape is that? Frickin' pitchfork. This is drone footage. Oh yeah. Pitchfork. Come on, folks. Let's get real. Put it in our face. Please wake up. Start connecting these dots. The Roman Empire is trying to throw their weight around right now. Yep. Look at that. I mean, how much more clear do you need? Pitchfork. Name of the storm is Atticus. Right here. Pure evil. Methodist bishop. Anything to do with the Christian religion honestly has my stomach in a turn, because I know that's all baloney. I know exactly what they're all about and what they're doing. It's time to start waking up, everyone. It really is.